Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Dunford. I am a author, mother, and entrepreneur. Here on my channel we talk about the struggles of writing and parenting as well as we support our fellow creators. So today I wanted to talk about how you can do edits in a Word document. So here I've opened up the Vampires Fall Draft 2. This is actually a piece I'm currently working on. I was going to take a piece out of my archives, but when I was reading it, it was just, there was so much work that needed to be done, I figured I would just go into this. So, as you can see right now, I have the home page open. This has like your fonts and everything. This, by the way, is on Windows, but it should be the same on Mac. So, what you'll do is, let's say there is a spot you want to highlight, so if I want to maybe add more detail here, I can go to Review in the top bar, and I can add New Comment. So this is really good for if you're editing someone else's work, and you're reading through and you just want to make little comments on something, like add more detail, and then it stays there, and then they can go through their work, and as they do things, they can either resolve or reply to the comment, or they can just delete it. So you just click that and it's been deleted. Another cool thing is the track changes. So on Mac, this is a little push button, and it's kind of shaped like a little pill kind of thing, and you click it and the little green ball goes from left to right to indicate that it's on or off. But here on Mac you have, or here on Windows, it's kind of like a little button and you can track your changes. Oh, yeah, so you click track changes, so it's on, and then you can do simple markup, all, no, and original. So I'll show you what each of that means. So let's first take a look at Acantha's. We're just going to work with this first little paragraph here, so let's just see for a second. So it says, my fingers glide over the spines of the textbooks. The deer-skinned bound books contain our vampire heritage. They go back thousands of years, all the way back to Dracula. They contain every law change, royal born, royal death. So, we're going to do some changing here. So, my fingers glide over the spines of the deer-skinned textbooks. So here you can see that the comment I added is in red, and it also gives a little timestamp of when I added it. And yeah, so then over here, so I added the deerskin thing, so let me see. My fingers glide over the spines of the deer-skinned textbooks. Deer-skinned bound textbooks? Actually, let's do over the textbooks bound in or bound by? We'll put that for now. So then we can get rid of this. The books contain our vampire heritage. They go back thousands of years, all the way back to Dracula. I don't think this punctuation is right. Maybe it's that. I could be wrong. All the way back to Dracula. They contain every law change. Okay, so it's not perfect. I'll admit to that. It needs a lot more work. But so there's that. And so this is all markups, and then you can see simple markup, which it doesn't show any of the underlines or anything, but it'll show you the changes. So they took away all of the red underline and everything, and it just made it into that. And then you can see no markup, which pretty much looks the same as simple. And then you can see the original, which is what it was before the markups. And then I always have issues turning off tracking, so I'm going to put all markup on. And yeah, and you can also choose like what all you want to see, so if you want to see the comments or not, and just stuff like that. I don't normally play around with that too much. This isn't really a function I use often. I normally use the comments because I don't like making changes to people's pieces without their permission. Yeah, see, I always have issues trying to turn this off. So I just put it back to no markup and it's done. So that's just kind of like briefly what doing this is like. And so the whole reason I'm showing you guys this is because I recently started a critique group, and this is what we've been doing, is we've been putting our Pete chapters into Dropbox, and then I have Dropbox downloaded onto my computer, and so I can just open their files right on my computer and yeah, make edits and then save it back into the file. If you guys want, I can also do a video on how to make edits in Dropbox, like on the actual website. And then I can also do it on Google Docs. It's pretty much all the same concept. There's an add comment button somewhere, and you just type in your comments. I'm not sure if they have the track changes function, but I know for sure that they have the comments thing because I've used it before. I'm just more comfortable using Word. So, yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!